Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Tuesday, June 9th, 2009. A Connecticut bill seeking to enforce transparency regulations on hedge funds was not brought to a vote at the State House of Representatives. According to the Wall Street Journal, the House failed to vote on it before the 2009 legislative session ended, and lawmakers said it will not be revived in special sessions because it is not related to the budget. The bill requires fund managers, which have not voluntarily registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, to alert investors to any material conflicts of interest. According to the hedge fund industry, Connecticut's plans for state regulations were best taken up in Washington. Paulson and Company has suffered a loss of $165 million after it closed its short position on Barclays. According to the Financial Times, the hedge fund firm's short interest in the UK bank had dropped below 0.25%, down from 1.17% on November 3rd. Paulson had been shorting Barclays since around September. Earlier this year, hedge fund manager Crispin O'Day closed out short positions in UK banks and began to speculate on their recovery. And in more hedge fund news, GLG Partners has named new managers for 5 UK equity funds it obtained as part of its acquisition of Societe Generale Asset Management UK. According to the Financial Times, the firm's UK equities head, John White, along with Jason Mackay, will manage the UK Growth, Active 350, Income, Small Companies, and Special Opportunities funds. The remaining of GLG's Alpha Select hedge fund team will help the two managers, Harry Sandhu and Malcolm Murray, part of the original SGAM UK equity unit, will continue as asset managers of the portfolio. UK private equity firm Bain Capital will invest $439 million in China's Gome Electrical Appliances holdings. According to the Wall Street Journal, under the deal, Bain will take an 18% equity stake in Gome and will subscribe to 7-year convertible bonds, which can be converted into new shares. Gome is seeking fresh capital through a stake sale to provide equity funds to repay $687.4 million as convertible bonds, which will mature next year. KKR and Warburg Pincus had also shown interest in the Beijing-based company, but later dropped out. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.